time for church. Oh yeah. It's like your school's hardwood floor. Alright. Bathrooms? Yeah. There's a hole.
Sharks of glass.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Shower.
Shower, yeah.
Because I guess you needed that. Oh. Drain.
Oh man.
You can still see the exit sign. Look at that.
Holy crap.
So, only way to that smokestack is back out and around. Holy, it's amazing. Some of all these wood parts.
Yeah. What's this thing?
I don't know. Christmas decoration, maybe? It is that time of year.
Yeah.
Oh, I knocked down a tree. Look at all that equipment and stuff. More tunnels and stuff. It's one thing I'm not doing is going under a collapsed building. No, thank you. Look at that old pipes and stuff up there. Hopefully I can make it right here. This probably would have been the courtyard. See, this is what I'm talking about. The uniqueness of this. You don't see this anymore.
Yeah. Everything's a box now.
Ugly box. Oh. Well, can't get around that way. Jeez, dude. If you didn't watch your step, you can fall right in. That's why you don't do this place at night.
Oh yeah. I never.
Look, there's more. Look at...
So much more.
What the... What the... Well, this part, there's more cement in the center. Look at... No. People made their own way down, I see.
Oh yeah.
That's for another time. So walk really fast across that part.
Oh really?
Yes. It's not wobbling, but just walk across it really quick.
Man.
Like, this is just... How much time and effort to build this factory yet to go to waste?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Look at all this manufacturing.
People
Oh, this is cool, dude. Huh. Look. Wow. All the way up there. We're in the stack. And look at this ladder. Some people have had to climb all the way up there.
Oh, I would have peed my pants.
This is awesome. I'm inside the stack. Let's imagine these are still here. They're probably not very sturdy though.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm peeking out the hole. Hey. Coming up here, it's safe. So, by seeing the outline of that building, it would extend it all the way this way.
Yeah. All the way down. Yeah. Something how just nature just takes over.
Gingerly walking over bricks. Hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Hello.
That's pretty cool being inside that sack.
Yeah, we went up and looked. We came the hard way though.
I can imagine there's a lot more to this place to explore because of all these tunnel systems.
You're on top. You're in the building.
I know.
There's building under.
Yeah. I know. This place at night, no.
We forgot to tell you that. You need to watch your feet.
Yeah, we've been watching him pretty.
Yeah, we came up and over that way. From that building.
So we came from there through that one.
This is the only ones we've had seen before right here.
But my... Oh, good Lord.
I can get you into this one.
Oh, you know a way.
I do know way.
Which way?
Seeing what it looks like here, I can show you way in.
Holy crap.
We found a way in. Naomi kind of took the hard way, I took the easy way. One of the easy ways.
Oh, I see. Oh, that's a...
She went that way. I went the way you're looking right now.
Oh, this way?
Yep.
Oh. Oh.
We go down there too. I can show you how to get down there.
Holy crap. Look at that machinery. Holy. But Jesus. I've never seen anything like this. People been in there? Are you crazy?
I didn't go in there. I went down.
I don't know if I trust myself to go in there.
I didn't run.
I don't know if I want to.
I think here. I don't know if it would be easier with you, but this is. I can see inside it from here.
Jeez, I never seen anything like this. Look at all the power. It's the powerhouse. Yeah, if you look, there's the gears. Just be careful. I don't know. See, I don't trust a board to go over there. I'm sorry. I'm good. Right? Ow. Look, there's old machinery right there. I'm good. I'll walk. Oh, jeez. Holy crap. Oh.
There's a little stuff in there.
Wish it was a bright sunny day. This would be a great.
Or try this if you wanted. You can use the rocks to step down on.
ET phone home. This is crazy. I have never seen anything like this. Right. Definitely.
So we came back to this building to show Christmas. And there's inside of this.
Holy crap. Holy crap. Look at this. Oh. It's a firing kiln. Look inside there, Terry. Look. Right?
Hi.
Hi, Naomi.
Hey, y'all.
Hey, y'all. Wow.
She went around.
She's a walking ninja. She's Spider Lady. Look at that, dude. God. I'd never seen anything like this.
I'm gonna see if we can find some old pictures of this place. Like Republic Rubber Factory.
Nuts, man. Never seen anything like it.
The first time we crossed into here.
Oh, Jesus, man. What the hell am I... Quicksand. What the hell?
Oh man, that's not the
So, of course, this would have been another part. And another part. And another part.
Yeah.
Well, if there was ever a way up there, it's gone now. But those floors are solid.